Hello and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a short one and it's going to be all about the assassination of Peter I of Cyprus. Peter I of Cyprus was born on the 9th of October 1328. He was the son of Hugh IV of Cyprus and Alice de Liban. Peter became king of Cyprus after the abdication of his father on the 24th of November 1358. In 1342, Peter had married Esceva de Montfort, but she had died in around 1350, so in 1353 Peter married again for the second time to Eleanor of Aragon-Gandia. Now Peter was absolutely obsessed with Eleanor. He used to sleep at night with her nightdress in his arms. But even though he was totally in love with Eleanor, he was not faithful to her. He took many lovers and even fell in love with one of them, and their love story was so great that it inspired poems. Now, Eleanor was not in the dark about her husband's infidelities, so she decided to take her own lover. While Peter was off in Europe, she started a relationship with John de Morphu, who was a soldier who fancied her. Now, Eleanor and John managed to keep their relationship a secret for a while, but Peter soon began to suspect that something was going on and ordered his men to find out if his wife was cheating on him and if she was, with whom. Now, one of his men did find out that Eleanor and John was having a relationship, so sent a letter to Peter to tell him. Now, John panicked when it was found out that he was the lover of the Queen. So he bribed two of Peter's lovers to tell the king that he and the Queen were not in a relationship and that it was all just a vicious rumour. Peter's lovers did actually tell him this, but he still carried on with his investigation and interrogations. In the end, the scandal was buried because Cyprus did not want to ruin its relationship with Aragon. So Eleanor did not get punished, but Peter still wanted to punish John. But he wasn't really allowed to, because if he did, then this would bring the whole scandal to light. So the man who had sent the letter to the king informing him about John and Eleanor's relationship was used as a scapegoat instead. He was arrested for slander, imprisoned, and ended up dying of hunger. So after this whole thing, Peter went off the rails a little bit. Feeling guilty that an innocent man had been put in prison and had died there, he decided to get revenge on all who had wronged him. But this of course upset the nobles, so they started to conspire against Peter. On the 16th of January 1369, three men entered Peter's bedchamber where he was with one of his lovers, and they killed him. A fourth man then entered the room and castrated Peter, saying, "For this you have given death." So that's just a little short video about the assassination of Peter I of Cyprus. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.